Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions for Dow Jones and Tech 100. Yesterday we were very much spot on when I had predicted for 12,970 for Tech 100. It exactly achieved that, and Dow Jones I did not expect it to drop till these levels, but yes, it did drop. It did drop towards 33,300 levels, and it was a very nice break where we have Dow Jones has almost managed its last 4 weeks gain in just couple of days. So interesting move from Dow Jones and Tech 100. Now let's see what's there on the cards. Before we proceed ahead with the analysis, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. This is you are my family, and because of you only I am able to grow. If you can support further, definitely we can grow further. So this is the support which I seek from you all. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's move towards the analysis part of it, and this is uh, Tech 100's chart. Yeah, exactly. Tech 100 has almost hit the bottom yesterday for the week. That's what we had expected. Possibly now I'll be again watchful of these levels. I don't expect it to break below these levels at 12,970, and let's hope that it does not break this. On the at the same time, the ceiling is anyways fixed at 14,000, but this is the weekly chart. So I am just trying to showcase that might be we have seen the bottom for the week, and possibly a retracement or reversal day is on the cards. Let's have a look whether we are going to have the reversal or not. So this is a 2 hour chart, and on a 2 hour chart we can see that uh, there is some support at 13,000 levels, and 12,970 is the limit, bottom limit we have found. From here we can see that there is consistently higher lows. Now look at this. So right now this is the channel in which Dow Jones Tech 100 is trading, 13,120 to 12,980 levels, 13,120 to 12,980. This is a 2 hour chart, and maybe the next hour candle which possibly might give it a breakout, or either it will try to uh, because the next 2 hour candle will start just in 15 minutes. Either it will try to drop a little towards 13,000 050 level, 070 level, somewhere here, and then from there it starts to rise again and head towards 13,240 levels. Possibly this is something which I am expecting, but let's see whether it could happen or not. I will give you the levels once our analysis is complete, so stay tuned. So this is a 4 hour chart, and a 4 hour candle also appears to be a strong big bullish candle, though it is just covered halfway down possibly, and it has still got a good scope to cover till uh, 13 to 80 levels. Possibly again we could see these levels today. So let's have a look at the daily charts. And on a daily chart, right now on a daily chart, I will see the lower low on a daily chart is already achieved. There is bearishness, there is no doubt on that. However, for the day, till the time it is above 13,030, I will expect it to head towards 13,200 and 13,280 and 13,300 levels also. Possibly we could see how far this could go. Let me try to explain why I am saying so. So possibly somewhere here this could form a greener candle somewhere here like this, and then from the next candle, if the next candle again goes bullish, then I will be very watchful of. But tomorrow is a weekend, and possibly as we have already seen the good drop for the week, almost that there is a good scope to rise further. Possibly we could see a rise again, but yes, today we might see it heading towards 1300. Let's see the levels, but before we proceed ahead with the levels, let me show you why I am saying so, and why we could, whether we could expect the rise or not. I will first give you the indicators on. See, the stochastic on a 4 hour chart is right now again heading bullish. So the it is curving up, so possibly we might see a bullish move ahead. RSI on a 4 hour chart is consistently hit bottom and right now heading up possibly. So maybe we could see And see, this crossover is about to happen on a 4-hour chart, and possibly once it crosses over, we might see consistent couple of or 2 3 greener candles before it again try to cross over towards sell side. So this is why I am expecting that we might see a bull. And if you look at, we are getting a good resistance here at around 13120 levels. Once it crosses 13120 130 levels, then my next target is 13240 and 13280 levels. Possibly we are going to have a look at these levels, and even if this surpasses, we are having another level at around 13300 levels, rather 13370 levels. Now this is on a 4-hour chart. Now just a second, hold on. So this is on a 4-hour chart. Now let's look at the same on a daily chart. What does the daily charts indicate? So as I said, 13120 is good resistance. Then we are getting from various moving averages, we are getting a good resistance at around 13200. As I said, 13200, then 13280. So somewhere around these levels we could definitely might try to achieve. Right now R1 is bearish, and I will not talk about this. MACD lines are divergent, are gapping apart, divergent apart, indicating RSI is comfortably at a very low levels. And stochastic on a daily chart is trying to cross over again where it has seen a bottom, and from here it is trying to rise. So possibly we might see a greener candle. Now let me write down the levels for you. And so we I am looking forward to a range of 13040 to 13120 is the first resistance, then 13240 and 13280, very close levels. I am expecting that it might surpass this number. Once it surpasses this number, you can definitely go long, and we can expect a very bullish move. And below 13040, I am again expecting that it should not break 12970. But these are markets, anything can happen. Be cautious, stay alert, and if it breaks 12970 also, then we might be heading towards 12900. Probability of this happening is 20%. Probability of this happening is 80%. Now you can this is just my gut feeling based on my analysis. You can take it or leave it. I might be wrong. There are chances that 20% chances are there that I might be wrong also. So please calculate your risk and take your positions accordingly. Now let's move towards Dow Jones. So what do you see from Dow Jones? Let's have a look. Now till the time it is, this is the daily charts for Dow Jones, two big green candles, and already we have seen a low for the day in line with the previous days with a slightly. Now if we consider 33300 as the low, then definitely possibly looking at this, we might see a high at around 33800. Very much possible that if it might go till 33800. If it breaks this level at around 700 levels or so, somewhere here, we could definitely head towards 33800 and plus levels also. It might be very bullish if it crosses 33700. Now it is going to be very bullish if it crosses 33700. Then 33800, 34000 also could be achieved. Be watchful, be aware, and beware of these. Now this is on a daily chart. Let me show you on a 4-hour chart also why I am saying that we might go bullish from here. I was okay. So 4-hour chart, we can sense that it is still in a where it could break. Let's try to see that what could be. So Now if it breaks this level at around 33, I will say 300, 33, 200 levels, rather I will say, just a second. So if today it breaks below this level at around 33,400 on this 4 hour chart, if it breaks below this 33,400 levels, let's look at this. This is the kind of, this is the kind of channel which it is trading. And if it breaks 33,400, now once again we are going to look at 33,200 levels. If it breaks 33,400 for now, if it doesn't break 33,400, what I will be expecting, I will be expecting it to come towards these levels. First target 33,700 and then 33,800, close to 33,800, which I find is a stronger resistance. And in fact, if 33,800 is taken, we could head towards 34,000 levels also. Please be watchful of this, and we might see a little reversal. Possibly if it crosses 33,700 and 800 levels, these zones, definitely we might head towards 34,000 once again. Be watchful of this. Now look at the weekly chart. On a weekly chart, see what it tried to do is it has given you a signal to, you know, that it was bullish. It is shown a complete engulfed the previous bullish candle. It has shown a bearishness and achieved a lower low. That here now next it is given a platform for next week. So now today close to 34,000, again it may rise with the leaving a tail and a wick and a body which is at par with the previous candle. So this is the weekly analysis, and for the week we might end at around 34,000 levels once again. So this is just my expectation, and I am not perfect. Again I had said I'll give you the numbers once again first, but let's have a look at the indicators. So on the daily chart, as I said, now we have got a good support at around 33,500, then 33,800, after that 34,000. So possibly till the time it is above, and I said on a 4 hour chart also, till the time it is about 33,400, you can remain long, and we could expect 33,600 and 33,700 and then 33,800 levels possibly. If 33,800 is passed, we could definitely expect 34,000 levels. And beware, 34,400 is something where we could get a good support from now. And looking at, let's look at the, I will just come to the stochastic, which is, again showing a bullish, but it has hit a bottom, so we might see it curving up again. RSI was bullish and it is definitely dropped nicely, and MACD lines are again crossed over, and it is on a sell side with a good divergence. So this is on a daily chart, but let's have a look at the 4 hour charts also. On a 4 hour chart, I can find that, see, this is again looking upside. We can say definitely we could find a good bullish move till the time it is above 33,400, and on the upside 33,700 and 33,800. These levels, if it surpasses somehow, we are going to hit 34,000 also. I am going to give a big target today, so please note it and watch it. So for me, I am going to give a very broad target today. 33,400 to 34,000. This is what I will expect for Dow Jones to trade. In between, there is a zone at 33,700 to 33,800, which you need to be very watchful that how it behaves in this zone. Once we are comfortably thorough with this zone, it is going to head towards 34,000 levels. So be watchful, and this is 80% probability that it is going to trade in this zone. Once 33,400 is taken, we are hitting 33,200. Be watchful. If 33,400 is taken, we are hitting 33,200. So be watchful of that. And this is all from my side, and have a safe profitable trading day ahead, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.